Hey guys, so I am on a big high and I just wanted to share this energy with you. So we went to Ottawa today and I figured I would do some personal journalism, independent journalism, to report on my take on what I witnessed and what I'm so grateful to have been a part of today. So down on Parliament Hill, all I saw was smiles, love, felt peace and unity and excitement, and everyone was so kind. There were tents set up, they were giving out free food. I was like, how much is this chili? And they said nothing. And I was like, oh, who made it? And they're like, oh, a family. Like, people are just giving away and being so kind, and I saw so many people I knew and so many people I didn't know. And the most amazing part about it is, like, I always think, being from Canada, when there's a snowstorm, what do you have in common with like everyone around you is that we all have to deal with the snow. We all have to shovel the snow. And I was always like, cool, it's the one time when you know that there's something that you have in common with people. And so what I saw today was way beyond that kind of having in common with someone. What it was everyone, it was just there that values freedom, that wants the best for their children's future, that agrees with, personal choice and personal, let us make our own decisions, let us make our own free choices. And it was so much love, and I got to bring one of my kids, and just for them to witness what was going on down there. I do have a family member that has been there at what they're calling Ground Zero for over a week. She's been staying there, camped out, supporting this whole freedom endeavor that Canada and the truckers are putting on, to basically give us our freedoms back. They're all camped out there until freedom has been restored. And it's just amazing. The stories that I'm getting from her, they've got a truck, they've got a trailer, they've got a fire pit. They're splitting wood right there in the street to keep themselves warm and to make tea. And people are stopping by, giving their support, giving them food, taking their laundry, doing it for them. People have offered them showers, to, go to my place and have a shower, and just really, really nice expressions of kindness and love and community and unity. And it's so amazing. And on our way there, we ended up being in the midst of a convoy that was on their way there, flags all over the place. And anytime you see somebody with a flag, you give them the peace sign, you give them the thumbs up, and they honk, and you feel a connection. Like, so beautiful. And you just don't know that unless you're a part of it, because you know as well as I do that what they're reporting on the TVs, when you're sitting at home after dinner and you're watching the news, like a lot of people do. I don't, but a lot of people do. The stuff that's on your cable channel, that's fed to you, programmed to you every single day, is not what's actually happening. That is paid programming. And I've talked about this many times over the last 2 years. But my main point for making this video and sharing it with you is because an hour later, I'm home and I'm like still on a high from the fresh air and the amazing vibes downtown Ottawa. There's a lot of police presence. Everything is peaceful. There's police from all over the place there, and you smile at them and they smile back. Everybody is just, we all want the same thing. We all want freedom, and this is a beautiful way of bringing it to us. We are demanding it. We are insisting that we have our freedom because we deserve it, because we are free beings. So tyranny's coming to an end. I know that this is still going to be a road ahead, making this happen, breaking this all down. It's been a long time coming, but I've never been more proud to be part of something. As an indigo warrior energy, what we're doing for these kids, we're breaking down these corrupt systems. We are challenging anything that's not in integrity, because the kids that we're bringing up in this world are meant to live in a world of peace, and we're doing that for them. So if you are participating in this, if you're supporting this at all, whether you can make it there or not, just know that you are on the right side of history. And this is my own interpretation of what I witnessed down there, what I was a part of. The hugging, it's so beautiful. Anyway, I love you, and I wish peace and freedom. I wish you peace in your heart, love in your heart, and enjoy the rest of the weekend.